If you're a real estate agent and you want to grow a YouTube channel and you think the only way to do that is post every single day, that belief alone is probably why you haven't gotten any clients from it yet. The real estate agents that are winning on YouTube right now are not posting every single day. They're doing something completely different. They're doing something more strategic, and in this video today, I'm going to walk you through that strategy. And more importantly, who this works for and who it doesn't work for. Not some made up concept, but what I've seen work time after time. Most agents approach YouTube like it's social media. You might be thinking more videos means more results, or consistency means posting every single day, and if you don't get views, it's just not working. So then just like that, you burn out. And that's not even your fault. Most likely you've heard that on the internet, or someone you've worked with has told you that. And that might have worked 5 years ago, but right now, currently on YouTube, that's not how the system works anymore. And you can make up as many excuses as you want, but I promise you, YouTube is not the reason your channel isn't getting you any results. You are playing the wrong game. YouTube is not a volume platform. It doesn't matter how many videos you post. It is a trust platform. You're not trying to entertain strangers. That's not what this informational content is about. You're trying to build confidence with potential future clients. Why daily posting is a complete myth. Here's what most agents and most people in general don't realize. One good positioned video beats 50 random uploads. And that is because YouTube loves high quality videos. And so do the viewers. People are going to go down your pipeline and watch multiple of your videos. And from there, trust starts to build. If they watch 3 or 5 of your videos, they stop comparing you to other realtors and ask themselves, do I want to work with this person? Now, obviously that's only if they're living in the area or at least moving into the area, but that's where your target audience comes into play. That's the shift. So you don't want to be posting a bunch of random videos because YouTube's not going to push out your content because they're going to realize that you're just posting to a generic broad audience. Instead, you need to niche down on one specific audience. For example, that could be buyers in whatever city you're in. So buyers in New York City. Once you find that audience, make videos only positioned to target that audience. As time goes on, you'll realize YouTube is starting to understand who you're targeting, and your average view count is going to skyrocket. Here's what happens with YouTube leads that most agents never see. A lot of times they don't like, a lot of times they don't subscribe, they might not even comment, but they watch your videos. And then one day you get a message that is like, I've been watching your videos for a while and I was wondering if you could help me out. That didn't happen because you were posting tons of different videos. That happened because now you're a familiar face. They've watched you enough that they trust you. This is where Zillow leads can't compete. You also need to shift that mindset of thinking that you need to become a viral creator. I don't help agents become famous creators. I help them build client acquisition systems using YouTube. And that's why the real estate agents that I work with are able to see results. My focus is what videos actually matter to that audience, how they're positioned, how trust is built, and how viewers move from watching to reaching out to you. I've worked with agents just starting a YouTube channel. I've worked with agents that are posting but not converting, and even high-level business coaches who understand trust-based marketing deeply. And the pattern is always the same. When the structure is fixed, results follow. All right, let's zoom out and recap. Because once you see this clearly, YouTube stops feeling confusing. The reason most realtors feel like YouTube doesn't work is because they've been told to treat it like any other social media. But the agents actually getting clients from it aren't doing that at all. So recap point number 1 would be YouTube is not about frequency. YouTube doesn't reward effort, it rewards clarity. That's why daily posting is not going to skyrocket your account. One clear, well-positioned video that builds trust is way better than 30 random videos. Frequency matters after structure, not before it. Recap point number 2 would be authority comes before leads. The second mistake many agents make is trying to get a call before they build their trust. People watch and then eventually down the line, after they've watched a couple of your videos, they've built trust. And then after that, they reach out. That's why YouTube leads are completely different. They don't ask, can you help me? They ask, when are you available? People watch first, and then the trust factor is built after they've watched multiple of your videos. Recap point number 3 would be the system is small on purpose. Because if you've noticed, the structure is very simple. It's not necessarily easy, but it's simple. It's not built on volume, it's built on intention. Authority videos, belief shifting videos, and conversion videos. These 3 video types do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. And this works especially well in real estate channels, because real estate is trust-based decisions. decisions. People don't just pick an agent, they pick someone they're comfortable with. YouTube lets someone spend hours with you and feel like they're talking to you before you even ever meet them. That's the leverage you're looking for. So if you've been thinking, I don't have time to post every day and I'm not a YouTuber, that's exactly why this would work for you. Because the agents that win aren't trying to become viral creators. They're professionals using YouTube as an informational place. And once this clicks, the question stops being, should I post on YouTube? It becomes, how do I structure this the right way for my market? Let me be very clear. This system does not work if you want viral views, you hate being on camera, or you're unwilling to think in the long term. If you're an agent watching this and thinking, this finally explains why my efforts haven't worked, I offer you a completely free YouTube audit call where we map this out specifically for your market. If you go back and watch some of my previous videos, you'll see the entire system step by step drawn out on how you can grow your channel in 2026 if you're a real estate agent. And a lot of people don't want to spend months and months just failing and trying to learn. And that's why I actually work one-on-one with you to build up your scripts, your YouTube ideas, your titles, hand it out to an editing team so your videos are the highest quality and the fail factor is completely gone, because I've done this with many other real estate agents' accounts. No pressure. This isn't even for everyone. This is for agents who are serious about YouTube, agents who want inbound leads, and agents who are willing to build trust properly. And this is not for anyone who's looking for a crappy little shortcut. If that makes sense to you, then click the first link in the description and sign up for the free YouTube channel audit. You will get on a call with me and it's going to be really, really relaxed, and I will just go over on a simple doc your channel. You'll tell me kind of what you want and I'll build something out and map it out for something that you like and I know personally will work. Again, just click the first link in the description. So to do a full little recap here, posting daily does not help you. It actually might hurt you because you're posting videos that are not up to YouTube standards. And the only reason I'm saying that is because I know for a lot of you, you're posting content daily, but it's not the highest quality. And the second thing is you want to build authority and trust inside your videos. You want people to like how you talk, like how you explain things, and want to work with you. And they feel that trust because they feel you understand that market. That's it.